Okay, I bought this gizmo many years ago. I think I bought this gizmo in 1996 or 7. It's called the Saladeco. And it's this really cool spiralizer for your vegetables. You can use beets, carrots, zucchini to make like zucchini noodles. And so what I wanted to do was show you how to spiralize a carrot. So it's this base, and then this middle piece which has the blade in it, right? The blade is, it's a little hard to see in the video, but it's right there. And then it has an adjustment on the side. This little lever here will allow you to turn that blade up or down. I know it's a little hard to see on this video, but it allows you, see, to turn the blade up or down. And when you turn that blade down, then it's gonna go to the straight edge here. So the raised blade is several little notches that makes this spiralizing effect on the vegetable. So you just put like a carrot, you want a wide piece, like a really wide carrot like that, not like a thin one like that. And then you want to cut it. This might actually be too tall, so we're gonna see in a second. You put it in there, and there's a little nub there. You just kind of stand it up on there, and it holds it in place. And then this is the top, okay? And then you put the top. It's got like a little spikes here that hold the vegetable, okay? So you push it in. I think this is a perfect height. And then you just turn this so that it locks in, and then you press. Let me make sure I have it to the right blade. Yep, it's spiralizing. And then you're gonna see in the bottom, it's gonna come out like really long, thin, shaved pieces of carrot. And when you put this in a salad, it looks amazing. And people are gonna be like, how the hell did you cut this carrot? Let me show you, like that, because it looks very labor intensive, right? So check this out. Look, like all these long hairs, right? Look how cool. Really thin, like little linguinis. And then let's say we're making a salad and you just wanted to plunk it. Looks so pretty, like right on top of a salad. And you can break it up, of course. I'll just break that there. And then when you put that on top of a salad, okay, so when you put it on top of the salad, look at how pretty that looks. See how pretty that looks? And then there you go. You have this visually tantalizing, gorgeous gourmet salad. And it takes literally, what, a few seconds to do that. Okay, so there might be other types of little kitchen gizmos, but I like this one, Saladeco. And it's really easy to wash, and you can do it with beets as well, and you can do the zucchini noodles. That's always fun too. But that's gonna need some kind of sauce because zucchini raw is a little bland. All right? If you try it, post, and let me just wanted to also say that if you're ever, there you go, if you're someone who eats a lot of raw carrots and you find like it kind of jams up your gut, makes you feel like you have like a brick in your gut, then what happens when you spiralize or when you grate your carrots is it breaks down the fibers and it dextrinizes it a little bit so that it's much easier to digest. So what you're going to find is that this is a much better way to eat your carrots, and I'd love to know if you try it. And I'm not endorsing the product, but you can probably find it on Amazon or maybe even Bed Bath & Beyond, someplace like that.